Inspecting source code with Vim, tags and other tools. There is plenty of information about how to browse source code with Vim/tags, like jumping to a tag, navigating tag stack, searching for a tag match, etc. However, I can't find information about how to actually inspect source code and its structure, similar to something like Source Browser tool in some IDEs. The following is what I want to be able to do with Python source code using Vim, though the same may be equally true for some other languages. List all members of the current file, module, i.e. top-level classes, functions and/or variables defined in the module. List all methods and attributes of a given class. Jump to a member within a given class, i.e. something like column tag class name.my_method. List package members/hierarchy.
Some of what you want, the listing part, at least, can be done with taglist or tagbar, but I'm afraid you are confusing Vim with an IDE.
Have you looked at rope? This URL features rope refactorings. Rename anything. Extract method/local variable of break time equals ones, greater than method/local variable/parameter restructuring, like converting $A. $F$B to $B. $G$A, where A, type equals memod.A. Introduce factory change method signature transform module to package. Encapsulate field place method with method object and a few others. Rope can extract similar statements in extract refactorings, fix imports when needed, preview refactorings and o/redo refactorings, interrupt refactorings, perform cross-project refactorings, handle basic implicit interfaces in rename and change signature, support Mercurial, Git, Darks and SVN in refactorings. Rope can also help IDEs with auto-completion, finding definition location, getting PyDoc, finding occurrences, organizing imports, removing unused and duplicate imports and sorting them, generating Python elements. This URL